welcome back to my channel. Today I have May's Boxycharm box. And for May, this box did not come with a card. How do I know? Because I already opened it, to be honest. And today's eyeshadow look is brought to you by this box. I actually used the palette and wanted you to see the colors on. And I did need to do a little research to find the products and give you prices. So I've been in this box already, like I said, because the card was missing. So I'm gonna come closer so you can see my eyes, because this is a little bit different look than I've been doing. It's more bronzy for the summertime, and you'll see why in a second. But let's get into this box. So again, this is for May. If you've never done Boxycharm, this is just the base box, and it costs $25 a month for this box. If you do Boxy Premium, which I do not, it's $35. And every 3 months, so quarterly, there is Boxy Luxe, which I do subscribe to. So next month, stay tuned for that. I will be getting Boxy Luxe instead of the regular box, the Boxycharm base box. And that box is $50, but that's, like I said, every 3 months. However, here is the box for May. So let me open it and give you a peek inside. So I'm going to go through each product. I'm going to leave the palette for last so I can discuss the colors a little bit more in depth. But next to me, if you see me looking, I have my price guide because I did go through and check everything out. So the first product is by Blink, and this is a black lash primer. It is jet black volume, and it is volume extreme. So let's take a look. I don't normally use a primer, but I've heard primer is usually like a clear color. This one I've seen other people unbox, and that's what it looks like. It is black. And I didn't use it only because I normally use on my eyes, I use Thrive. I use the Thrive mascara, so I haven't tried this yet because I do like my Thrive and I think I get enough volume with that. But eventually I hope to try this, and I will give you hopefully an update on the channel. This lash primer is $26. So that is the first of the products in this box. The next is the Glow Ahead. So this is what by Wander Beauty, and it's the Glow Ahead, and it is $42. This is an illuminating face oil. So there is the packaging. I actually used this today. I used it under my primer, and I don't know if you see it. That is the applique. That's like the applicator. So you just, and that's what it looks like. I'll put it on my hand. I don't know if you could see it. It has like almost like a glittering effect, like a little bit of a sheen and a sparkle. You really can't see it, but it's clear for the most part. But again, that's the second of the items. And again, that was $42. And keep in mind, this box is $25, so this alone covers my $25. Next in the box is by Dominique Cosmetics, DC Cosmetics. And this is a lip gloss. It is in Strawberry Lemonade. So here is the packaging. And I really like the color. Again, I'm actually wearing this color today. Like I said, I sampled this box, having to go through and find the pricing, but that's the color. And again, it says Lemonade. I don't know if you can see that. It says Lemonade on the packaging. And I'm opening it so you can see. There is the applicator. Let me show you. Like I said, I'm wearing it. It's like a pink color. I'm wearing it. Like I said, it's very, very sheer, but I like it. I think it works for this time of the year. It's a very fresh, fun, summery color. So, and then, did I give you the price of that? That product is $17. So this, if I didn't say it already, $17. And then my choice of the month, this was what I chose. This is the Hourglass Flash Highlighting Stick. And I also used it today. I don't know if you can, I'll come closer. I used it on like my highlight area. Here's the packaging. Let's get in there. This is in Rose Gold Flash, by the way. And again, this was $42. So again, this also more than paid for the $25 box. So here it is. And put that down so you can see it. That's the color. And I'll put it on my hand so you can see. But like I said, I am wearing it today. If you can see. There you go. And it's right there on my hand. Very pretty color. And again, I think it works for me for this time of the year. Just gives a little extra highlight color. And then of course, last but not least, is the palette. This is by Beauty Creations, and this is $14.99. So here is the palette. And the colors are Cali Chic. And again, I'm wearing the colors on my eyes, but I'll go through the colors with you. So, here's the palette colors. They're very pretty. And I actually used, if you can see, this is Venice. I used Venice right here as my base color. I used Tan Lines right underneath Venice for the all over shade. And then I used Sail, which is this one right here. I used that like in the corners of my eyes. And then I also added a little bit of this one, Boardwalk, for like to pop the color a bit. And in the crease and for liner, I used Laguna at the bottom. But I'll swatch for you so you can see all of the colors and we'll just discuss them. So let me swatch. Okay, I'm back, and that is the palette colors swatched on my arm for you. So the lightest is over here, all the way to your darkest in the palette. So let me see if I can get the palette and I can tell you from lightest to darkest. So the first one that you barely can see is Venice. Next to Venice is Malibu. Next to Malibu is Marina. After Marina is Tan Lines. After Tan Lines is Boardwalk. After Boardwalk is Sail. Then comes Sunset. Then comes Beach Babe. And then comes Laguna. So that's the colors that are in the palette that I did my eyes with today. I am really liking this palette. And like I said, I think definitely some fun bronzy summer colors for the season ahead. So that was it. That was my Boxycharm. Like I said, I did not get a card, so I did the research and I was able to give you all the product information that I could find online here from me. The product totals, so like I said, I paid $25 for the box. So let's add them up real quick. So 26, 17, 42, 42, and $14.99. So $141.99 for the grand total for this box. So a little over $140, and I only paid $25 for the box. So I think I got my worth out of this box, and I will definitely be using the palette for the summertime. I love that. I love the colors. The lip gloss, that's a win. I even really liked this under my primer. I have yet to try the Blink, but I'm kind of excited to try that and see, maybe to build up my Thrive mascara. Not that I think it needs it, but you know, never know. And like I said, I've used the Hourglass. I really like that too. So all in all, I think a win on this box, and I'm excited to see what comes in BoxyLuxe next month. But until then, thank you to all who have viewed and are subscribers and have returned to view. And if you aren't, hit that subscribe button below. If you are not a Boxycharm subscriber at this point, please feel free to use my link in the comments. Again, $25 for the base box. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me bring more content like this your way. Now, I just want to say be safe and have a magical day. Bye for now.